Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the aims and principles of the United Nations. In the previous class videos, we have studied about the United Nations. It was established in 1945. It tried to prevent war and spread peace into nations. Today we are going to learn about the aims of the United Nations. Seeing the destruction of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, people got worried about their future. They feared that the human race would be wiped out if the Third World War happened. So, to prevent future wars, another attempt was made by forming the United Nations Organization. The United Nations Charter was signed on June 26, 1945 by 50 original member countries. The United Nations functions on the basis of the UN Charter. The Charter contains certain objectives and principles to make the world safer and peaceful for the present and future generations. All member countries are expected to follow to the aims and principles laid down in the Charter. Initially, the Charter was signed by 51 member states. Currently, it consists of 193 member states. India is one of them. The aims of the United Nations: to maintain peace and security in the world, to settle disputes in a peaceful manner through discussions. The countries must try to settle their differences by peaceful manner. Suppose you have a problem, your friend, you try to first solve by talking to him. Same way the United Nations discuss their problem. To develop friendly relations among nations, to improve the social and economic conditions of the people. It expects the richest countries to help the poorer countries for improving their conditions. It helps to fight diseases and preserve the environment. The United Nations will not interfere in the domestic affairs of any country. Now, we are going to discuss about the principles of the United Nations. All member countries should have mutual respect. All member countries should settle their disputes in a peaceful manner. All member countries should avoid threats and use of force. All member countries should support the activities of the United Nations by providing necessary assistance. Student, you have to read this topic from your book. So listen and watch this video carefully. Thank you.